In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix live button not showing on TikTok. So if your live button is not showing on TikTok, don't worry. This video will walk you through the exact steps to fix it. First, you need to check if your account is eligible to go live. So TikTok requires you to be at least 16 years old and have around 1,000 followers before the live feature appears. If your account doesn't meet these requirements, the live option will not show at all. Now, if you already meet these requirements, let's move on to the fixes. So open TikTok app and go to your profile. Next, what you need to do is to tap on the three lines in the top right corner, then tap on settings and privacy. Scroll down and look for free app space. Tap on it, then tap clear next to cache. Tap on clear to confirm. Clearing cache removes temporary files that may be causing glitches in the app. Now, after that, close the app completely and reopen it. Next, make sure your TikTok app is updated. So go to the App Store or Google Play Store, search for TikTok, and tap on Update if available. Now, using an outdated version of the app can prevent features like Live from appearing. Another important step is to log out and log back in. So go back to TikTok, click on your profile at the bottom right corner, go to Settings, click on Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and tap on Logout. Tap on Logout to confirm, then sign back in to your account. Now, this refreshes your account and can fix missing features. So, click on the plus icon to check if the live button is there. Now, if the live button is still not showing, check if your account has any restrictions. So, violations of TikTok's guidelines can temporarily remove access to certain features, including live. And lastly, if nothing works, you can report the problem. So, to do that, go to Settings, click on Settings and Privacy, scroll down and click on Help Center. Scroll down and tap on Report a Problem under Privacy and User Safety. So, follow these steps to report a problem, or you can also go back and click on Chat with Us and send a message to report the problem. So, TikTok support can review your account and help restore the feature. And that's it. That's how you fix the live button not showing on TikTok. Thanks for watching.